cooking. I'm cooking.
What are you making?
Fish potatoes.
You're making potatoes? Are you making dinner?
I do making dinner.
Who's gonna eat it?
Wait, it's going to eat it.
Blake's gonna eat it?
No, Pacific Stay. Wait and eat it.
Oh, Chef Spaghetti. The chef from Curious George? Are you the chef?
I do a chef.
What's your name?
Blake.
Chef Blake?
Yeah, I do Chef Blake.
Oh, good job. You got it all in there.
Only one more.
Oh, one more.
That I put in the pot.
All right, good job.
I got the potatoes.
Yeah, real yummy.